An abandoned medical van?
We'll treat you now, Seryozha.
Not me.
I have a patient. I'm heading out. I'm waiting for you. I'm waiting for you. Stop, damn it. Stop. I'm stopping. I'm begging you. Please stop. I have to make it work.
I really hate these Largus cars, these Ladas. I can't stand any of this. Hello.
Hello, it's me.
Seryozha?
Help me, please.
Help? What happened?
I'm in trouble. I'm alone in the forest.
Well, you're having a hard time, huh?
It's serious.
Yeah.
Drunk orderlies were driving me in a medical van. They crashed into a tree and left me there.
What? They left the van?
Yeah.
Are you lying in an abandoned van?
Currently, it's just an abandoned medical van in the forest with only me here. Please help me.
Got it. I'm on my way. Say no more.
You're coming? What? Ilya, are you coming for me? I hope so.
I have geolocation set on Seryozha so I can always find him, but global positioning system works poorly in this forest. Okay. I've found abandoned vans in the forest many times, and not just that. Everything depends on the coordinates. We'll figure it out. I'll find Seryozha, but finding the van is most important. Wow, that's a great discovery. Look, there are vehicle tire tracks. He mentioned some drunk orderlies who ran off. These must be their tracks. It's pretty simple. This time it's simple. We'll follow the tracks to the vehicle, then to the orderlies who left Seryozha and confront them. Though who really cares about Seryozha or the orderlies? Let's go look for the car.
Oh, here it is. We found it.
Ha ha! An abandoned medical van! Just look at this, guys! What a find! Unbelievable! Wow, gowns, medical caps, all sorts of things, a mask. This is just a regular medical cap, and this one is surgical. Only real doctors have these, like me. I wanted to be a doctor as a kid. Who did you want to be? Share in the comments. Guys, we found a real abandoned car and it knocked down a tree. Seryozha mentioned drunk drivers over there. So let's see what we have here. Oh, Seryozha. Hi, hello. Oh, look, here's the second part of that surgeon's costume. Seryozha, hey, come on, what's up with you?
Ilya, you came...
We're going to treat you, Seryozha. This is my medical van now. Only doctors can drive it. Right.
Help me, Via.
It doesn't fit for some reason.
I'm freezing.
What happened to you? Tell me.
Drunk orderlies were taking me. They left me here.
That's all clear. I'm talking about something else. How did you end up in this? In the van?
We went to a birthday party to the rotten village of Duranovo. We drank some bad booze there. I broke my arm, too.
You broke your arm? I'm so sorry.
They took me back to Perm. Basically, they were driving drunk. They were also at that birthday party. And basically, they crashed and left me there, then ran off.
Seryozha, quiet down. Stop making things up. That's not true.
They have a camera there, you idiot.
There's a camera? A camera is a camera. That's important. Let's go. Let's check it out. Yeah, look, there's a surveillance camera here.
You can see it right now.
Sure, I have my iPad with me.
Via, not now, please. I feel bad.
I'll confirm you're being honest before we talk.
And please, look at your file quickly and get me out of here, Via, please.
All right, deal. I'm turning it on.
They pulled me out during the holidays. Well, damn, that's honestly the most upsetting thing there is.
Yeah, for real. Look, the orderlies are acting really weird, kind of strange.
Drunken idiots.
Honestly, today, well, I'm not a beast tamer. Yeah, I'm a bit drunk. That's normal. You too. Hey, be quiet. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah. They're really drunk, basically.
Yeah, they're totally drunk. I'm not even sure they're orderlies.
We keep driving while they complain about this old bucket. They won't give us a new car, and the wipers don't work.
The fools are really fools from Duran Village.
Are you sure we're going the right way? We ended up in a forest. Are you sure?
Yeah, I've been here 100 times.
Whoa, that hit hard.
Damn, Valera, what are you doing? Do we have to pay for the car now? And for him too? Let's just go.
Hey, is this guy going to rat us out? He'll tell, right? But he's so wasted, he'll be out cold soon.
What about him? Did you see his face? Yeah, anyway, let's get out of here. We were never here. Yeah.
Is this how they transport patients?
Yeah, they left me. They threw me out of there, damn it.
They caused an accident while drunk. Got it. At least we know Seryozha isn't lying. Let's see what we can do here.
Yeah, what's there to look at, Vaya? Take me and get me out of here, please.
Yeah. This van's pretty solid, barely rusty, just a little dented. All right. Oh, wow. Guys, look, I've never seen a van with this kind of equipment inside. Are these some kind of medicines? Look, there are intravenous drips installed right here. The intravenous goes straight to Seryozha. That's awesome. And there's even a stretcher, right?
Oh, please, I don't know.
Now I'm starting this car and we're going to leave in it.
No, please, Via, don't. Just take me away from here.
We're starting now. Everything will be fine. That's cool. Flashing lights, siren, everything as it should be. Oh, more lab coats. That's just an orderly, nothing serious. But I'm a surgeon. I need gloves. Maybe I can operate on Seryozha.
No, not me, no.
The drunks even forgot the keys in the car. You know what, Seryozha? I've told you 100 times to quit drinking. All your problems are because of this booze. Oh, damn, it really got stuck. When I said it's not rotten, I was too quick to judge. Of course, it's already a bit worn out, but we all know that for a van like this, that's nothing. Oh, the heater works. Oh, the engine turns over. It turns but doesn't start. I see. Oh, all of this is really unnecessary. Basically, I'm a kind of surgeon myself, just for cars, right?
Vaya, please help.
Hey, you!
Get me out of here. Let's get...
He's so whiny, and I'm an automotive surgeon, a doctor of UAZ sciences.
Get me out of here.
I'm working on it. We'll see now.
You can just get me out of here. Oh, give me this. Thanks.
And here the fuel comes in. So, in short, there's a spark too, which means the problem is with the fuel supply. It's probably clogged after the filter. This can be fixed in no time. There. This is also an unnecessary part. You need to drip some fuel here, and if it keeps dripping, then it'll start up without any problems. Fuel, there's gasoline here.
I've warmed up.
I'm glad for you, Seryozha. All is well. Is alcohol like fuel? Oh, it worked. Yeah, it's definitely fuel. Let's test my idea. I need to add this to the carburetor. Now, I have to check. Wow, that's fine. Basically, you add it and it starts up. Everything's broken. It's hard to tell what's what here. The problem is with this tube, basically, it's dried out and broken. Then we need to come up with a new way to supply fuel to the carburetor.
Maybe you could just take me away from here and not come up with anything?
I have an idea. Here it is. After all, I'll have to work with you a little bit.
Seryozha, it's okay. Just hang in there. That's exactly what I need. It's all right.
You're an idiot.
It's okay. Don't worry. Is this what you need? What's poured in there?
I don't know. Drunk people set it up for me.
Here you go.
Idiot.
Oh, what a mess. We pour alcohol in here. Now this will drip into the carburetor. Basically, it's the same as the fuel system. Oh, what are you doing?
Well, at least I'm warm now.
We're making a small surgical incision. We hang this thing right here in the van. Then we open it up here. Oh, it's working. We put the tube right here. Now it's gonna drip like this. Oh, let's check. Ha, it's working perfectly. Surgeon Vaya fixed it all. Here's the gas tank. It's dangerous, really, but everything's fine. Everything's fine. Are you okay? It's gotten better. Better, that's good.
Are we going now?
We're heading out. Seryozha, well, are you feeling good over there?
Is that it? Are we going?
We're going to faraway lands.
Thank you, Via.
Aha, well, of course. Come on! Oh, so Seryozha, are you okay? Is everything all right with you?
I'm fine.
We're on our way. Oh, it's going well. We'll turn around now, don't worry.
Please, be careful.
The most important thing is we can't stop. We can't stop or we'll get stuck. And we can't get stuck.
No. Stop.
It's all right, let's go.
Stop! Stop! Stop!
Oh, that's a special box.
Oh, please.
Guys, check it out, guys. Look what I found. That's hilarious. So how does it work? Testing. Look, here. Whoa. Ha, wow. Okay, testing. Woohoo. Hi, what are you doing?
Via, what are you doing?
We're changing lanes. All right, let's go. Let's move. I have a patient. I'm heading out.
What are you doing?
Everything's fine. Damn, got stuck again. Oops. Forward to save Seryozha. I have a patient. Seryozha, everything's fine.
Door is open. The door.
Oh, it just flew off. What now? Wow, there's so much snow here. What a van. Damn, I think I drained the battery. So how am I supposed to get out of here now?
Just look at the mess I got myself into.
Seryozha, what were you yelling about over there? Jeez,
You're an idiot, Via. You're an idiot. I hit my hand several times.
none of that matters. Is there a spare battery here? Oh, what's this? Oh, that's a defibrillator. This thing gives a powerful electromagnetic pulse, and if it works, you can use it to start the engine, even if the battery is dead.
How will we know if it works?
I'm a doctor, Seryozha. Step aside. So I think it turns on like this.
Does it actually work?
Come on!
Idiot.
Yeah, it's working. It's working, guys. Probably no one has ever started a van with a defibrillator. But I can handle it. This goes here. Everything in the van gets disassembled quickly. We press everything, turn it on, and set it to maximum. The main thing is nothing catches fire. That sound started again. And we put this one on the plus, this one on the minus. Oh, it's hissing! Okay, come on! Come on! Everything's great.
Damn, I feel bad.
Everything worked out. Why are you feeling bad? What happened?
I need to go to the hospital, Via.
Yeah, right. I forgot about you. So we're all going to the hospital, right? We're going at maximum speed.
No, not at maximum speed.
We're going full speed now. Pedal to the metal. We need to get Seryozha to the hospital.
No, careful, please. I'm being tossed around in the car, Via.
Go, go, go.
Please be more careful, Via. Damn. Careful, Via, please.
I don't remember which direction is the hospital. Oh, now that's some speed. Now that's good. Let's go.
Idiot, what are you doing? Damn it.
It's all right. I think the hospital was to the right. I think it's over there. Yeah, to the right. Right here.
Via, stop, please, Via. Damn it, my door is open.
I'll set the route and everything will be fine.
Please stop.
Oh, there's a sharp turn here.
I'm begging you, please stop.
Seryozha fell out. Seryozha, I lost the patient. How did that happen? Damn, Seryozha, how did that happen? Seryozha, holy crap, damn, are you alive? Are you hurt? Hold on. Come on, Seryozha, we'll patch you up.
You're such an idiot, Via.
What the hell? Hey, you prick, who are you?
Hey, young man, who are you?
What do you mean, who are you? This is my car.
First of all, don't be so rude. I'm the car's orderly.
What do you mean? What? We've found it abandoned. What kind of orderly are you, huh?
What are you talking about? Are you crazy? What's wrong with you?
You're kind of rowdy. I'll calm you down right now.
What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? What's this?
If I see you do that again, I'll take you to the madhouse.
What madhouse? You're not an orderly. You're a loser. A loser. My car. That's my car. Where are you going? What are you doing? Where are you going? Stop. Where? Wow, now that's an adventure.
Seryozha, how are you? Oh, yellow.
What happened to you? Who left?
Orderly.
What orderly?
He injected me with something.
What, are you serious, idiot?
I don't know.
Give me your phone and call your guys to get us out of here. My phone's dead.
My phone is in the van.
What do you mean, in the van?
I can't call anyone.
Wait, we can track your phone to track this van.
We can. And then what?
We'll find both the van and the phone.
And I'll smack that orderly too.
Yeah, him too.
Yeah, we need to return the van.
Yes, and we need to get out.
But how?
Hey, what's wrong with you? Come on, snap out of it.
Where to? I'm not doing anything until this video gets at least 30,000 likes.
30,000?
At least. That's it. This was me, Vyacheslav Ismailov, or Via, and Seryozha. Subscribe, like, comment. Let's go.
Guys, we really count on you, please, Via. Come on, get up. They're subscribing. They're already subscribing. They're hitting likes. Come on, Via.